Namaste. Dear friends, we would like to share you one of the most important aspects of our cultural event. In the vicinity of Sri Ramakrishna Vidyashala is a famous Lakshmi Venkataramana Swami temple. It is situated on the KRS road, Vantikoppal. It was founded by Sri Chikkanna Dasa. It serves as the center of Sri Vaishnavism, which is an ancient sect of Hinduism, and it promotes the principles of equality, love, and affection of all living and non-living entities. Sri Venkateshwara Swami Brahmotsavam or Shrivari Brahmotsavam is the most important annual festival held at the Venkateshwara temple in Tirumala, Tirupati, and in many Venkateshwara temples around the world. The word Brahmotsavam is a combination of two Sanskrit words, Brahma and Utsavam, which is a festival, a celebration. There is a general belief that Lord Brahma conducted the first festival. Brahma also means Brihat, grand or large or vast. According to the legend of Tirumala, Brahma descends to earth to conduct the festival. So during this festival, our Sri Ramakrishna Vidya Shala's pool, swimming pool, which is there in our institution, it becomes the site of some concluding rituals in this Brahmotsavam. In fact, all the devotees, all the members of the staff of Vidyashala are privileged to be part of this sacred practice. This is actually called Avabrita Snana. It is a ritualistic bath. It is held after Brahmotsavam at the temple, and the Swami will be brought to Sri Ramakrishna Vidyashala. All the devotees gather there and Avabrita Snana, the ritualistic bath, will take place inside the swimming pool. All the devotees sing bhajans and puja is offered, and then finally prasadam will be distributed to all. Avabrita Snana, the ritualistic bath, is a sacred event. Generally, after the completion of a yaga or homa or vrata or yajna, the deity will be given the ritualistic bath for purification, and this is called Avabrita Snana. ಯಾವುದೇ ನದಿ, ಕೊಳ, ಬಾವಿ ಮುಂತಾದ ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರ ದೇವರ ವಿಗ್ರಹವನ್ನು ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ತಂದು ಅವಭೃತ ಸ್ನಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ, ಒಂದು ಪರಂಪರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಭಾಗವಾಗಿದೆ. So this ritualistic bath is a kind of annual event which takes place in Sri Ramakrishna Vidyashala. That is certainly an occasion for celebration and an occasion to participate with our heartfelt devotion in the ritualistic bath of Lord Venkateshwara. Unfortunately, this year, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the celebrations were minimal. May the benedictions of Tirupati Balaji be upon us all. Jai Shri Ramakrishna Sharanam. Namaste.